Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Banchi from Incredibox Sprunki. So first we're going to get started with the top of the head, and we're going to curve this line around and then down on the right. We're going to connect this together on a diagonal, bringing this down, up, back down, across, connecting that together. To the left of this, we're going to curve this line up, down, back up. And then we're going to start back on the left hand side, bringing this down, over, and across. Let's connect the head together now. So we're going to draw in a small curved line in the corner. And then from the left hand side, we're going to connect this by bringing this all the way around and then back up on the right. Now let's draw in our left eye. So we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle, leaving a small gap, moving across on the right to replicate. Closing off the eyelid now on both sides, curving this across. Now underneath in the middle, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then in the middle for the mouth, just arching that across. Eyebrow, we're going to curve this over and in, extending that further across on the left. And now let's come up and draw in the tree. So we're going to draw in a small dot in the center here. For the first leaf, we're going to come down and up, and then from the dot in the center again, bringing that up, back down and in the corner. Starting on the bottom again in the middle, curving this out and then across and over. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line over and down. And then from that point, bringing this back down and across towards the center. To the right of this, we're going to bring this line up and down. And then from that point, just bringing that back in and through. One more time on the top, bringing that up and across. And then from that point, just curving this back down. Now from here in the middle, we're going to draw in two curved lines to connect that to the head. Now let's draw in a hand over here. So we're just going to draw in a circle on the right. And then we're going to draw in the drumstick. So we're going to come up, drawing in another circle beside the head, making that smaller. And then now we're going to draw in two straight lines that come down, connecting it. Let's do the same on the left. So we're going to draw in a small circle in the center. We're going to come across on the left-hand side and make that even bigger. And then we're going to bring a straight line that comes across. Now from here, we're going to close off the top by arching this around. And then in, and then we'll draw in two diagonal lines that come up towards the chin. Again, moving down. Now we're going to draw in two straight lines that come down on both sides. And then we're going to curve this back across again. Let's draw in a wavy line on the top. And then we'll do the same on the bottom. Now in the middle, drawing in another diagonal line that comes down on both sides. And then again, just bringing that across. One more time, arching this line over towards the right. And that is it. That's how you draw Banchi from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.